Hi guys, welcome back. We have read this book before in class, and we're going to read it again, but we're going to pay close attention to the words that are on the page. The title of this book is Getting Ready. All right, let's take a look. Take a look at the picture. Look at my pants. I see 3 snap words. Look at my. 3 words. Look at my socks. Ooh, I noticed that look at my, those are the same words. Look at my pants. Socks. This word and this word are the only 2 words that are different. Let's take a look at the next page. Look at my shoes. Those are the same 3 words on the other pages. This word's different. Look at my shirt. Same 3 words. This one's different. Let's see if you can guess what this next page will say. Good. I heard someone say, look at my hat. Let's take a look. Look at my hat. Is this the word hat? If you say the word hat, what sound do you hear at the very beginning? Good. An H makes the sound. Is this the letter H? No, it's not. It's the letter C. And C says what? C says k. Good. So let's try to sound it out. K, a, p, cap. Look at my cap. Look at my ball. Same 3 words. This is a different word. Look at my bat. Very good. All right, look at my, who do you think that is? Good job. Dad. These are the same 3 words on every page. Okay, see on every page, those are the same 3 words, but this last word is different, right? Look at my dad. Bat. Ball. Cap. Shirt. We notice that some words on each page are the same, but then some words are different. Pay attention to your reading to see if you can find some words that are the same and some are different.